Hello students, now we would be heading towards the next question, which is question number 5th of exercise 1.2. Okay children, read the question. What is the fifth question children? Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. Okay, these 5 digits को मुझे एक ही बार यूज करना है. उसका ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट लिखो एंड लीस्ट स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट लिखो. ओके, एंड दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट. डिफरेंस मींस व्हाट? सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. डिफरेंस मींस व्हाट? सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. Okay, so first I will write down the greatest digit. Okay, which is the greatest digit formed by these 5 digits? Greatest number formed by these 5 digits. It is सबसे पहले greatest करना तो 7 पहले आएगा, then 6, then 4, then 3 and lastly 2. इसका कौन था? smallest 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Difference means subtract. चलो चलो 2 minus 7 पॉसिबल नहीं है. Borrow करो 1 from here. 12 minus 7. What is 12 minus 7? 5. 2 minus 6 पॉसिबल नहीं है. चलो यहाँ से borrow करो. Okay. 3 1 आ गया. 12 minus 6 6. 3 minus 4 again possible नहीं है. Borrow 1 from here. 30 minus 4. What is 30 minus 4 children? 9. 5 minus 3 2. 7 minus 2 5. Okay, so 52,965, okay, is the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number. Okay, 52,965 is the difference between greatest and the least 5-digit number. Okay children, next one, I hope it is clear with this one. Next one, a machine on an average manufactures 2,825 spools on a day. बराबर. एवरेज नहीं क्या बेटा, कम ज्यादा थोड़ा होता है, बट एवरेज इतना होता है 2,825 spools on a day. How many spools did it produce in the month of January 2006? एक दिन में 2,825 बराबर. तो इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी, पूरे मंथ में how many spools would it produce? Okay children, now for that, okay, I need to first count how many days are there in the month of January. It is 31 days in the month of Jan, which is how much? 31 days. Clear children? 31 days होते हैं. Now next, okay, one day में 2,825 स्क्रूज प्रोड्यूस करता है. तो 31 डेज में कितने स्क्रूज प्रोड्यूस करेगा? स्क्रूज प्रोड्यूस in 31 days is equal to 2,825 multiplied by 31. Okay, I'll just write a bit upwards so I can just get the space. Okay, 2,825 multiplied by 31. चलो, let's take this 3 first. अगर 3 first लेता हूँ तो write 0 So it is 10 space. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 3s are 24. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are. Chalo, now add it. 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8. Okay. So 87,575 schools were produced in the month of January. So 87,575 schools were produced in the month of January 2000 and which year is it? 2000 and okay children, clear about this? Easy one है दोनों. Now the children, seventh question is, a merchant had rupees 78,590 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets. Merchant means what? दुकानदार, जो ट्रेडर बेसिकली जो है, जो बिजनेस करता है, उसको 40 रेडियो सेट्स चाहिए, उसका उसने ऑर्डर दिया. And for that, she had 70,590 with her. Now at rupees 1200 each, यानी one radio set का cost है rupees 1200. Okay, how much money will remain with her after the purchase? यानी 1200 rupees का एक radio set, which is basically she needs 40 radio sets. How many radio sets? 40 radio sets. 40 radio sets खरीदने के बाद उसके पास कितने पैसे रहते हैं? How much money is left after purchasing the 40 radio sets? That we need to find. For that we need to do two things, children. First, multiply by the cost of one radio set with the cost with the number of radio sets. फिर इसका जो भी आंसर आता है उसको सबट्रैक्ट करो इसके साथ. Okay? So first, one radio set का cost है 1200, तो 40 radio set का cost of 40 radio sets is how much? Which is equal to 1200 multiplied by 40. 4 है, 1 0 रखता हूँ, 4 0 0, 4 0 0, 4 2 8, 4 1 48,000 होता है. ओके, 12 रुपीस का एक रेडियो सेट है, तो 40 रेडियो सेट्स कितने के होंगे? 12 4 48. सिंपल भी कर सकते हो. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 48,000. Okay, now she had 78,592. Okay, so money left after purchase. After purchasing, what do we need to do, children? Minus करो 78,592 minus 48,000. I will subtract here for you. 7,8,592 minus 48,000. चलो 2 minus 0 2, 9 minus 0 9, 5 minus 0 5, 8 minus 8 0, 7 minus 4 3. So 30,000 rupees, 30,592. Okay, children, I'll explain you again. Okay, the merchant had this much amount with her. Okay, she placed an order for 40 radio sets. जिसका cost, एक का cost है 1200. Okay, so for that we need to find the cost of 40 radio sets, which I multiplied, which is 48,000. After that we need to find how much money will remain with था after the purchase. So money left after purchasing. Okay, so which is equal to 78,592 minus 48,000. Okay, जो उसने रेडियो खरीद लिए वो माइनस करना है. Which is equal to 30,592 left with. Clear, children? Next question. Okay, which is next one, which is a student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplied by 56. अब भूल हो गई, कभी भूल होती है, सबसे भूल है. ह्यूमन मेक मिस्टेक्स बेटा. Now what happens children? Instead of multiplying by 56, उसने 65 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अब 65 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है तो बट नेचुरल आंसर ज्यादा आएगा, बड़ा आएगा, बराबर. तो बाय हाउ मच वाज दिस आंसर ग्रेटर, आंसर कितना बड़ा था वो मुझे फाइंड करना है. तब कितने सोचेंगे सर, ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसको इसके साथ भी, इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, फिर जो आंसर इसको माइनस करना है. नो, देयर इज अनदर मेथड आल्सो फॉर दिस. व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई और 65 minus 56 कर दो, which is what? What is 65 minus 56? 9. Okay, तो 9 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है, तो multiply that by 5236. Okay, multiply by that 5236 को multiply करो 9 के साथ. 9 6 54, 9 3s are 27 plus 5 is 32, 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21, 9 7 is 63 plus 2 65. Okay, so your answer is 65,125. Okay, this is the answer we get. This is the answer greater than the correct answer. So 65,125 is the answer greater than the correct answer. Again I am repeating children. What do you need to do? सबसे पहले इन दो को माइनस कर दो जो उसने मिस्टेक की है वो, which is equal to 9, the difference. Multiply 726 by 9 only, you get 65,124, which is the answer greater than the correct one. Okay children, clear with this?